beautiful little creatures, huh? So you want to measure the tail?
Yeah, the whole body.
Yeah.
At birth, these sharks are about 60 centimeters long, but by the time they reach adulthood, they will have grown to around 3.5 meters. Adult lemon sharks may look threatening, but lethal attacks on humans are unheard of.
Okay. So it's 69 centimeter. Now I will take a genetic sample.
Taking it from here, from the tail.
Big mouth.
Yeah. Relative to their little body, yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Let me,
Yeah. Oh, he's okay. Don't worry.
Attends, peut-être tu peux le refaire. Enfin, sans couper, mais juste.
I put the sample in alcohol for future genetic analysis, so to extract DNA.